Many people struggle to establish and maintain clear guidelines for managing their finances. The key to success often lies in understanding how to cultivate and solidify positive financial habits. By implementing practical strategies and embracing a growth mindset, even individuals who haven't found consistent financial success in the past can learn to build habits that empower them to achieve their financial goals. Be clear about your financial goals. The foundation of a healthy financial future is built on crystal clear goals. It's not just about having aspirations, it's about imbuing them with definition and purpose. When you develop the habit of clarity towards your financial goals, you're not just shaping your future, you're shaping your present. This clarity acts as a guiding light, influencing your attitude towards every decision and providing essential perspective on your financial journey. Think of it like this. Unclear goals are practically no goals at all. They lack the tangibility and direction needed to motivate action and ignite progress. Imagine you're aiming to launch your own business this year. By developing a habit of clarity, you wouldn't simply say, "I want to start a business." Instead, you'd break it down. How much funding do you need to get off the ground? How much are you willing to self-fund? Answering these questions and others like them transforms your goal from a vague aspiration into a roadmap with clear milestones. Developing this habit of clarity not only provides direction, but also creates a powerful sense of focus. This is the psychological benefit that comes with setting well-defined goals. Knowing exactly what you're working towards allows you to channel your energy and resources efficiently, staying on track and avoiding distractions that might derail your progress. Remember, achieving financial security and fulfilling your dreams starts with clarity. By cultivating this habit, you'll be well on your way to transforming your financial future, one clearly defined goal at a time. Stop associating guilt with money. One major barrier to financial growth lies in the complex relationship many people have with money. Often, individuals grapple with guilt surrounding money matters, leading them to avoid open and honest discussion about finances, particularly in business settings. This year, cultivating a positive mindset towards money is key. This involves dismantling any negative associations and replacing them with an empowered and healthy attitude. By shifting your perspective and embracing money as a tool for security and opportunity, you can unlock doors to a more fulfilling financial future. Seek more income sources. The best way to elevate your financial well-being this year is to unlock the potential of your free time by exploring additional income streams. Look for unmet needs where you can contribute your skills or expertise and earn extra money in the process. Make converting your spare time into income opportunities a habitual practice. You could leverage your skills by freelancing for businesses or by assisting with tasks others struggle with. Make clearing your debts a priority. Imagine feeling the weight of debt lifted from your shoulders, replaced by the freedom and security of financial flexibility. That's the power of prioritizing debt repayment. While debt may seem like a temporary solution, it's a hidden drain on your future successes. It acts like a snowball, accumulating interest and growing out of control, becoming your most expensive burden. Instead of letting debt hold you back, take control. Start by making debt repayment a non-negotiable part of your financial routine. Allocate a portion of each paycheck specifically towards tackling your debts. By forming this consistent habit, you could be well on your way to becoming debt-free by the end of the year, paving the way for a brighter and more prosperous future. Remember, achieving financial freedom starts with small, consistent steps, and prioritizing debt repayment is a powerful first one. Save to secure your future. In the face of life's uncertainties, building a strong financial foundation is essential. This year, make saving a cornerstone of your journey towards a secure future. By consistently setting aside a portion of your income, you'll be empowering yourself to face unexpected challenges and paving the way for a comfortable retirement. Remember, even small amounts diligently saved can grow significantly over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. For those seeking guidance on navigating the world of investments and retirement planning, resources like JP Morgan Chase's annual retirement guide offer valuable insights. Their comprehensive strategies cater to individuals at various life stages, equipping them with the knowledge and tools to make informed financial decisions. Take charge of your tomorrow. Start saving today and build a future filled with peace of mind. Separate friendship from business. Building strong, genuine connections is key in life. However, it's crucial to remember that these connections often serve different purposes. Friendships are built on shared experiences, trust, and mutual understanding, while business relationships are defined by clear communication, shared goals, and a fair exchange of value. Keeping these distinctions clear can help prevent conflict and safeguard your personal life from the complexities of business. Unfortunately, countless relationships have crumbled under the pressure of financial concerns. To navigate this delicate balance, especially when entering into business partnerships, conducting thorough due diligence is essential. Utilize resources like background check services to gain a deeper understanding of your potential partner's financial history and professional conduct. Remember, a hasty decision or a wrong choice when forming a business relationship can have significant financial and even emotional consequences. See money as a means, not an end. In our fast-paced world, many individuals fall prey to a distorted perspective on money. They view it as the ultimate prize, the sole measure of success, and this singular focus wraps their relationship with it. This skewed mindset often leads to unhealthy practices, and ultimately, hinders the fulfillment they seek. However, it's crucial to remember that money at its core is merely a tool. It's a means to an end, not the end itself. The specific end that drives our pursuit of this tool varies greatly from person to person. For some, it's the pursuit of happiness, seeking experiences and opportunities that bring them joy and fulfillment. Others may prioritize securing a comfortable lifestyle, aiming for financial security and the freedom it provides. Regardless of the individual's desired outcome, understanding money as a tool empowers them to make conscious choices about their finances, and ultimately, navigate their financial journey with a greater sense of purpose and direction. Decide against impulse buying. Cultivate the habit of mindful spending, focusing on acquiring only the things that truly serve your needs. This means resisting the urge to buy impulsively, instead taking a moment to weigh your options carefully before making any purchase. Remember, impulse purchases often provide only a fleeting sense of gratification. Once the initial excitement wears off, you're left with a depleted bank account and a potentially lingering feeling of regret known as buyer's remorse. This can not only harm your financial well-being, but also leave you emotionally drained. By making conscious choices and prioritizing needs over fleeting wants, you can build a more sustainable and fulfilling relationship with your finances. Live below your means. Contrary to the flashy portrayals of extravagant lifestyles often associated with wealth, many successful individuals share a surprising secret. They master the art of living below their means, even before achieving significant financial success. This isn't simply about frugality. It's about consciously choosing not to spend everything they earn. By doing so, they create a manageable financial ecosystem that provides them with the flexibility and resources needed to invest in their business ventures, personal growth, and relationships. This approach exemplifies the essence of good financial habits, making conscious choices and prioritizing long-term goals over fleeting desires. If you found this video helpful, please click like and subscribe.